it's past 11 p.m. here, and I'm still here at my desk. So, tapos na yung work ko. As you can see, katatapos ko lang mag-schedule ng emails and nag-wrap up ng automation for a client. So, tahimik na yung bahay, tulog na lahat. And I just wanted to record this while fresh pa siya sa isip ko. It's something that I've been thinking about for a while now. Starting something for aspiring VAs dahil marami din nagre-request, especially, you know, moms who are like me. Alam mo yun, yung gusto mong mag-start with something pero laging nauurong kasi syempre busy in general. Busy sa life, busy sa bahay, sa client work, sa kids. Here I am tonight, so I'm finally making a little move. Baby steps, kumbaga. So yes, so bakit nga ba? Because I know how hard it feels to get started. When I first started, really, I didn't know kung ano yung unahin, kung ano yung aaralin. I was just lucky enough that there was a course during that time. It was free training from the DICT, so that's how it all started. Marami naman online, but it's still different hearing it from someone you know, di ba? Someone na gaya ko, friend mo sa Facebook, and nakikita mo nagpo-post ng mga small wins. So that's kind of different. I know how hard it feels to get started. You don't know where to start, di mo alam kung anong unang aralin, yun, kung may tatanggap ba sa'yo na client, kung makakakuha ka ba agad-agad or matatagalan, or kung worth it ba pag-aralan ang pagiging VA. For over the past 5 years that I'm doing this, marami na akong natutunan that I really wanted to share with you. I just really want to help others start the journey too, especially moms who, you know, want to earn from home. So I'm just planting the seeds right now, just tonight. And if you're someone who's been thinking of becoming a VA, or kung nag-curious ka kung paano mag-start, how to do what I do, let me know. Just leave a comment or send me a message if medyo nahihiya ka to show up in public. And just anything, just a random hi or hello. And yeah, I'd love to hear from you.